YouTube, this your girl, I'm just that girl Nisha, and I'm back with another video. In today's video I am going to be doing a laundry day, I guess, because it's about 5 something in the afternoon. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Don't mind the mess in the background. So I'm gonna fold these clothes up. Just 2 bags of laundry I'm gonna be doing. Whites color. Okay, so since we don't have a laundry mat, laundry machine inside of the unit that sorry for the glare in the back. I'm in the outside unit when it's to the public. So yeah. Can't wait to get my own house. Yay! But now I'm gonna start putting the clothes in the dryer. I mean the washing machine and everything. So yeah, I use Gang detergent. First I put the laundry detergent inside of there. Then since this take quarters, I put quarters in there. Yay! No cards. And then I just closed the lid and just started the washer dryer. I mean the washer. So this is me just trying to record and push the basket out so I can go back to the house. Failed. So I just started folding up the clothes that I already had already. Just put them in drawers and everything like that. So yeah. Now it's time to put these in the dryer. Now they all done. Oh, it's hot. Now they all done. Now I'm taking them out the dryer and everything like that. So yeah. Gotta clean it out. Yeah.